Mornings are hectic, right? Whether you're a student, a parent, or a busy professional, finding time to eat a healthy breakfast can feel impossible. But what if I told you that a delicious, nutritious breakfast can be ready in under 5 minutes? Yep, it's possible. And today, I'm showing you how. Time is precious in the morning, but skipping breakfast means low energy, poor focus, and a growling stomach by 10 a.m. That's where 5-minute breakfasts come in. Quick, satisfying, and perfect for those on-the-go mornings. First up, the 3-ingredient oatmeal. You'll need rolled oats, your choice of milk or water, and your favorite toppings like fruits or nuts. Just mix, microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, and boom, done. Plus, you can customize it with cinnamon, peanut butter, or seeds for a new twist every day. Next, the speedy scrambled egg. All you need are eggs, cheese, and any chopped veggies you have on hand. Crack the eggs into a pan, scramble with cheese and veggies, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It's protein-packed, satisfying, and endlessly versatile. And finally, the power smoothie. Grab frozen fruit, a handful of spinach, yogurt, and milk or water. Blend it all together for a nutrient-rich drink that's perfect to sip on your commute or between meetings. Want to make your mornings even easier? Prep your ingredients the night before. Keep go-to breakfast staples ready to grab, and don't be afraid to mix up flavors until you find your favorites. Planning just a little saves a lot of stress. So whether you're rushing out the door or juggling a morning routine, these 5-minute breakfasts prove that eating well doesn't have to be hard. Try one this week and let me know your favorite quick breakfast in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy recipes, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Here's to better mornings, one bite at a time.